What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol PLUG for Plug Power Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, I need to let you know they gave us an earnings announcement after the bell today, so let's flip on the extended hour session and see what's going on with the numbers. So, zooming in, a bit of volatility here. You can certainly see a bit of a down move, then it was retraced, and now it's starting to crumble again to the downside. As of right now, we're kind of opening right at the low of the day, so let's go ahead and just throw that on the chart, the low of the day essentially, and we'll go from there, taking a look from the daily perspective, talking about levels. Then we'll drill down to the 30-minute with no extended hours on to talk in terms of patterns, any micro levels that we're seeing. So from the daily, right, basically what we're looking at here is a pretty large bull flag, right, something that would look like this. So as long as we support at today's low, basically $39, look for healthy consolidation to continue inside of this zone, noting that the top end is right here around 41.87. So again, here you go, healthy consolidation. Breakout up and over the top technically puts into play our next daily area of resistance. So scrunching up the chart and looking above 41, I would say it's certainly here at and around 47.87. That's a pretty solid move here inside of a sub 50 stock, right? About $8, give or take. That's terrible math, really closer to $6. So $6 to the upside. Pretty good trade on your hands if that unfolds as the bull flag, right? If we break down under 39, though, that's where things get a little bit more squirmy because technically the next support is closer to 34, right? So please be cautious underneath. Basically, we're looking at this prior area of resistance, the breakout zone, to offer our major support underneath. So be on the lookout if we do get down here for anything that looks like a hammer candle, anything that looks like an indecision doji, things that make you question, right? Is the pullback ending? Can we flip long over these highs and maybe work our way back up towards the bottom end of this smaller flag, right? If you cut that flagpole in half a bit to 39, right? That's what I would watch out for if the downside case plays out as well as the upside case. So very simply put, let's take a look at the 30-minute chart and talk about scenarios here. Scenario number one, opening inside, healthy consolidation, breakout eventually takes us into, as we pointed out, about, let's just say round number sake, $48. To the downside, underneath 39, as we know, healthy consolidation breakdown, step aside, be patient, wait to see what the next reaction is, closer to 34 here inside of Plug Power. It's really going to wrap up the video. As of right now, earnings aren't really telling us enough as to whether or not we'll be opening on a gap up, gap down, so on and so forth. It's too close to the edge. We'll ultimately have to revisit that as tomorrow's bell actually rings. So that's going to wrap it up. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.